Let's continue to use the FSAE steering wheel animation file as we review the appearance options in animations. We'll start by moving the playhead to the 2-second mark. Now moving to the Transform pull-down, we'll select Appearance. This will open the same appearance library as we have seen in the model workspace. We'll go into the library, to the Plastic folder, to the Translucent folder, and find ABS White. Then, let's drag the appearance onto the steering wheel plate, and it will be converted from carbon fiber to white plastic. As a side effect, the tachometer will also be changed. By looking at the browser, we see the tachometer is a child of the steering wheel plate component, which is why it took on the appearance override. This change in the appearance only affects the animation workspace. It does not change the appearance in the model workspace. I'll close the appearance dialog and play back the animation. Even though the appearance was changed with the playhead set to 2 seconds, the change of the appearance is there throughout the animation. Changing the appearance of a component is not something that can be animated, but because the appearance change doesn't affect the model workspace, it is something that can be used to make a part see-through or to de-emphasize it. Looking at the browser, we can right-click on the steering wheel baseplate, and among the options, we can toggle the material to switch back and forth between the original appearance and the appearance that we applied in the animation workspace. Now we'll move the playhead back to 2 seconds. A powerful tool that's in the Transform panel that will also appear as a right-click option on a specific component is Show Height. When I select the option, it will toggle the visibility of the component off or on at that point in time. Playing the animation, it makes it easy to see the effect that this has when the plate and the tachometer simply disappear at 2 seconds. This could also be controlled by setting the playhead and using the Show Height icon in the browser. The time and duration of turning the component off or on can also be edited in the timeline. This is a good time to save the file.